A bird's eye view of paradise, the crystal blue waters and lush vegetation of Los Aitices National Park in the Dominican Republic. The last remaining stronghold of the Ridgway's hawk, a bird once found commonly throughout the island, but now confined to this single forest preserve. Found nowhere else in the world, fewer than 200 birds remain due to habitat loss and conflicts with humans. Alarmed by the severe and rapid decline in the hawk's population, in 2004, the Hispaniola Ornitological Society took action to save this critically endangered bird.
The Hispaniola Ornitológica Society started to work 4 years ago with the critical species like the Ridgway hawk. They asked for help to Peregrine Fund and Wildlife Preservation Canada.
In response to the request, conservation biologist Lance Wooliver began studying the bird with the help of local villagers trained by him to become field researchers.
Very little is known about this bird, and in order to implement conservation plans, we need to have an idea of just basic ecology. What types of trees do they need to nest in? How many eggs do they lay? What types of food do they feed to the nestlings? And probably the most important thing is if there's any causes of mortality, what are they?
The first year, the team began their work monitoring 6 nesting pairs. Sadly, none of the fledglings survived. Undaunted, Lance and his team resumed work the following year, banding birds and monitoring over 20 nests. And they discovered that people were the main cause of nest failure. Dwindling forests mean that the hawks have to live in close proximity to people, and because of a false reputation as a fierce chicken hunter, villagers often target the hawk. Concerned conservationists launched an innovative program to educate Dominicans about the Ridgway's hawk.
But there's also been an excellent series of community education programs and awareness programs carried out by the Peregrine Fund and the Hispaniola Ornitological Society. And they carry out theaters. And we've noticed quite a positive improvement here with awareness. And people are genuinely excited now about having the hawks in the area.
Villagers learned that far from being a detriment to their livelihood, the hawks could actually help them out. Small mixed crop farms can provide hunting areas for the hawks, and in turn, the hawks prey not on chickens, but on reptiles and on rats, which destroy crops. Education is only part of the solution. A bigger threat is the clear-cutting and burning for agriculture that takes away the hawk's habitat. The team's research shows that one solution may be protecting hilltop forests. This can provide more than enough food for the hawks without prohibiting farming in the valleys below. Still, more needs to be done. Researchers continue their fieldwork, capturing birds to examine their health and conducting genetic studies. To date, the team has banded dozens of hawks and monitored more than 100 nest attempts. The good news, the number of successful fledglings is on the rise. Lance is optimistic about their progress and believes that the research, along with Dominican involvement, may yet save this beautiful hawk for many generations to come.
Sponsored by National Geographic Mission Programs, taking science and exploration into the new millennium.
For the best subscription offers to any National Geographic magazine, log on to nationalgeographic.com/magazines.